from series to big screen tayo, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. This is because of all of you guys. So please remember, mark your calendars. Minamahal, now showing this September 24. We'll see you in cinemas.
Yes! Actually, nag-start na yung ticket selling today. Sino yung mga nag-purchase na ng tickets? Oh! You may purchase the tickets online, SM, Ayala, and Robinson Cinemas.
Yes, and teka lang, sorry I just have one last message. Quick lang.
Ayun. Ayun na!
Firstly, I would like to thank each and every one of you guys here today. You guys you touch our hearts really. Everyone here in the Viva family, we are so grateful for each and every one of you. You know, we know that you guys, some of you traveled a long distance to get here today. We know, and we really appreciate that. And for all the fan projects that you guys do for us, thank you so much. Your unwavering support is really, truly cherished to us. And secondly, to our Viva family, Boss Vic and the Del Rosario family, Boss Vincent, Boss Pal, Boss Veronique, and Tita June, maraming salamat. Because if it wasn't for you guys, we would not be here on this stage today. Right, Ash?
Tama. At saka sobrang na-appreciate namin na kahit sino yung tumutuntong dito sa stage, nag-cheer talaga kayo. Kaya maraming salamat po.
And lastly, Ashley Malviga, I'm really proud of you. You see this? Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you. And starting my journey, I wouldn't have wished to done with anyone else. You are not only a blessing to my life, but a blessing to many others here today. So with that being said, thank you. Nagulat ka ba?
Oh! Speechless ako, wala akong masabi, pero proud din ako sa'yo. And sobrang happy ko din na ikaw yung kasama ko ngayon dito. Grabe naman! Uy! Asa ka pala? Kilig ba ang kapal mo,
At ang isa muna everybody!
Grabe, nakakakilig dito! Okay, talaga? Pati ang patikilig. Marami sobrang kilig. Pero ito na guys. Please give it up for Astino Liga and Andres Muna! Grabe guys, congratulations on your new movie guys. I'm sure super kilig at excited na naman ang buong Araneta, di ba? Yes, but sabi nga nila, all things come to an end. Kahit yung bonding natin. Pero syempre, bago matapos ng gabing to, gusto namin ulit magpasalamat sa buong Viva family. Diba, Andres?
Yes. Thank you so much for this opportunity na we're all here together sa buong Viva Casa sa isang concert.
Yes, to our bosses, maraming salamat po. Wala po kami dito kung hindi po dahil din sa inyo. To Boss Vic, Boss Vincent, Boss Veronique, Boss Val, and Boss Vern. We love you! Yes, and tonight we're honored dahil ang overall show director natin ay ang same director of AMSE FanCon and AMSE OST show, Alaman and some of the Popstar Royalty concert, Sarah G's concert. Thank you so much po, Direct Bob. Maraming
Good evening, Arevalo Coliseum. Reunite with you all. Kahit 2 months ago, magkakasama lang tayo sa NFC.
Grabe yung suporta nyo. Eh, gusto lang namin na ramdam na ramdam talaga namin yung suporta nyo kahit ilang months na tapos yung series. Eh, andito pa rin kayo simula hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat po. At syempre, maraming salamat din sa Team Amsel. Palakpakan naman dyan! Yes, si Miss Lara Flores, aka Need More to Be Happy, na nanonood ngayong gabi. Hello, Ate Lara! Asan ka? Ayan, siya po ang author ng aming piano section niya. And of course, big thanks also to our director, Directed Babaron.
And because of your overwhelming support, may surprise naman for you guys. First up, mapapanood nyo na ang Book 2 ng Albert Yaman Century simula November 21! But, teka lang. But the question is, sino-sino kaya is gonna join us for Book 2? Viva Brandon! Let's watch this!
Natin ang Bad Genius, the series. Of course, this is directed by Derek Cabrito na nandito rin tonight. Hello, Derek! Asan ka ba? And don't worry. Alright. So, Tash, for sure, you've seen some comments online. So far, what's one feedback of a Bad Genius viewer that really stood out for you?
I honestly think it was a bond with the whole cast with Hyacinth, Davlan, and Jairo Sabino! Yan!
So, napakabait ng mga yun, no?
Oo, so
Ewan ko lang yung sinabang.
Ay, hindi naman girl.
Sa trabaho.
Oo.
Tash, marami pang aabangan sa series eh. So how excited are you in the upcoming episodes? Meron bang mga pasabog na dapat natin abangan lahat?
Many surprises and I'm super excited for all of you guys to see it. So sana abangan niyo ang Bad Genius sa series only on Viva One! And ayan, thank you all for all your love and support. We see you and we appreciate every single one of you. And with that being said, ito na, may exciting news ako. Sneak peek into Bad Genius!